Mobility often means overcoming extreme topographical challenges. The railway not only connects places, it connects people and transports goods to their destination. It is the lifeline of sustainable mobility. For it to succeed, work has to be done where hardly anyone's looking, on the railway track.
At our construction site in Thusis, we'll be renewing 120 meters of rails, sleepers and ballast today. In terms of maintenance, we exchange the ballast every 25 years, and every 40 to 50 years, we completely renew the rails, sleepers and the ballast.
This is where Rhomberg Sersa Group's RM76SM ballast cleaning machine comes into play. It ensures the trains run reliably and safely every day, even in the most challenging terrain. That is why operators have fondly dubbed it Capricorn.
We've had the RM76 from Plasser and Teura for 10 years now, and we're very happy with it. I really enjoy working with the RM76. I'd say it's very special. All 8 axles are powered. The machine weighs 124 tons. You can see the excavating chain really well from the work cab. And operating the machine is actually simple.
The machine is highly specialized. It's one of a kind, as it's suitable for the narrow meter gauge, tight radii, and steep inclines. It can do what other machines can't do.
The Capricorn works with geometry. This means it can bring the track into the correct position during the work process, which is a great asset to us. It has a much larger screening unit, which requires greater machine capacity.
The ballast bed cleaning machine usually works at night. It works quietly and persistently, ensuring the safety and comfort of rail travelers throughout the entire Rhaetian Railway network. Living sustainable mobility today and in the future. Machines like the Capricorn make it possible.